sectioning my pattern like so. So I have a pie-shaped section here. I'm working on a bit of a geometric shape. But what I want to think about is I want to think about the hairline before I do it. I want to check it out. If your hairline goes to the center on both sides, I'm going to have to approach this differently than I would if it didn't, okay? If there's a gnarly little cowlick up in this area here, a root direction, what am I going to do with that? How many times have you cut a graduate bob or a classic bob, and you may have not paid attention to the hairline or to the root direction, and you're cutting away, you're combing your thing back, and this hair doesn't want to sit back here. It wants to sit up over here. But you glue it dry, and all of a sudden your line has this big jump in it, right? There's no rules in cutting hair. Just take a circular section here, twist it, tie it out of the way, keep it out of your haircut. Cut the rest of your haircut in, blow dry your hair. You're going to have those bits and pieces. They're going to fall naturally as if they were dry, and then bring them in. Done. That easy.